You've probably seen the buzz about the new Insta360 X5 8K video, swappable lenses, impressive low-light performance. But the big question is this a true leap forward, or just an incremental upgrade over the X4? Let's break it down and see what really matters when you're out filming. First, about the headline feature, 8K 360 video at 30 FPS. The X4 already offered 8K, but the X5 brings in dual 1.28-inch sensors. These aren't just about resolution, they massively improve image quality, especially in low light. If you've ever shot in dim conditions and ended up with grainy, washed-out footage, the X5's Pure Video mode, powered by a AAA chip, tackles that and delivers much cleaner results indoors or at night. Now, do you need 8K? For most social media and Instagram, YouTube to 5.7K is plenty, but higher resolution helps when you reframe your shots in post. The X5's 8K is also super sampled from 1K, so even if you're not outputting in full 8K, you're still getting sharper detail. On the frame rate side, the X4 has a strong edge for slow-motion fans, with 5.7K at 60 FPS and 4000 at 100 FPS. If you're capturing action sports, that higher frame rate may still be more appealing. Physically, the X4 and X5 look similar, rugged, tall, and a little bulky. You'll feel them if you mount them on a helmet. But here's a big improvement. The X5 has replaceable lenses. That's a game changer for anyone who's scratched a lens and had to pay for repairs. It also adds some future-proofing. The waterproof rating has also improved, with the X5 rated to 49 feet compared to the X4's 33 feet, nice for divers or heavy water use. Sound quality is another area Insta360 has upgraded. The X5 features a multi-layer wind guard and new audio processing, making voices and ambient sounds clearer, even in windy conditions. It's not perfect, but it's noticeably better than the X4, which struggled with wind noise. When it comes to stabilization, both models are excellent. Insta360's flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock work beautifully, whether you're biking, snowboarding, or just walking. There's no major leap here, both cameras keep your footage smooth and level. One change that's frustrated some users is the X5's new 2400 mAh battery, which isn't compatible with X4 batteries. While it offers up to 185 minutes in power-saving mode and charges to 80% in about 20 minutes, upgrading means buying new spares, and that's an extra cost to consider. Both cameras use the Insta360 app, which remains one of the best out there for mobile editing. But the X5 has introduced some quirks. A few features are hard to access or unlabeled, and new users might face a bit of a learning curve, especially with things like InstaFrame, which lets you record both flat and 360 video at once. Speaking of versatility, both cameras work as traditional action cams, offering 4000 at 60 FPS and a super wide 170 view at 30 FPS. They also both shoot stunning 70-MP 360 photos, perfect for virtual tours, real estate, or panoramic shots with incredible detail. Now, let's talk price. The X5 comes in at about $550, while the X4 is around $425. That $125 difference, plus the potential cost of new batteries and accessories, isn't small. So, what are you getting for that extra money? Better low-light performance, replaceable lenses, clearer audio, improved waterproofing, and overall better video quality. If you're mainly filming daytime adventures or just getting started with 360 cameras, the X4 is still a fantastic choice. But if you want the best low-light shots, better audio, and the most refined 360 experience, the X5 delivers meaningful upgrades. It's more of an evolution than a revolution, but it's a smart step forward. So, is the X5 a must-have or a wait-and-see for you? That really depends on your needs and budget. Either way, both cameras remain excellent tools for creative 360 filmmaking.